Hello and welcome guys, DellzShot here, back with the next video. And this video is basically showing you how to edit saved beats in FL Studio demo. Now basically what I did was exported the beat wrong basically. Well, not really wrong, but I exported the beat and what happened was I used one of the free plugins in FL Studio, and in the beat it have a little silence in terms of the plugin I use because it's a demo plugin or trial plugin. So listen to it here. Right, so you hear the melody cut from right here, and then it starts back somewhere around here. So basically that's what I'll be doing in this video, showing you all how to fix beats if things like this go wrong. Basically what I normally do is split tracks. So let me give an example. I will go here, and this is how I normally export my beats. So each instrument has a different instrument plug, whatever you're using, plug drums, whatever you're using on a separate track. But I didn't do that for this beat, and that's what caused the problem. So now I have to actually use the exported file that I have and edit it. This would have been either that or make over the beat from scratch, which I didn't want to do. So I had actually a good sample that came out from FL Studio, and this is what I'm going to fix. As I said again, this is how I export it, but it's only exported on current basically, and it doesn't have all the other tracks. So otherwise I would have just delete this in track name number 1 and then put back over the sample on it, but that's not the case here. So this is what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is get my cutting tool out, and I'm going to cut here because here is silent. Now I can cut here, but the thing is, if you really watch the beat properly, from here to here I don't have that nowhere else in the beat. So basically I have to use this particular sample right here, even though it started cut from here. I'll just have to find something to put there after, maybe like a riser or something. But in this video I wouldn't do that. I will just show you how to actually fix back a beat if you have any issues in terms of like what I encountered here, by exporting the beat with a silent plugin, with a VST that has the silent on the plugin, because it's a free trial, and you actually end up with what I end up with what I have here. So basically let's, as I said, go for the cutting tool, cut right here, and we want to find where the loop finishes and see if we can find a loop lower down in the beat that we can actually replace it with. That's basically it. So we want to go number 17, that's 8 bars. Right, so we want to take that out, go back over to the pencil, take that out, drop this down 1. We actually will put it here, so we'll drop it down 1 more time just to keep uniformity. So we'll put the part that's missing from here, a proper part, I should say, a proper 8 bars of loop. That's it. Right, so this 8 bar of loop sounds like it has no cut, so what we do is cut right here, 41 to. Right, so we cut in at 9. What we want to do now is go back to the pencil, left click on this once, go back to the here, and let's make sure it's working properly. So we fixed that first part. Let's see if it have another part that's not playing. So that's the core verse, sorry, and this is where we just took it from. So if we just click it again, just to make sure we have that part available for when we find the next part that's not working. Alright, that's working. Chorus, verse again, sorry. Verse. Okay, let's go from faster. Here. Right, so we We get it here again. So normally it's supposed to be here in the melody. All you're hearing is basically drums and the hits of it. Right, and now it comes in. So basically we're going back for our cutting tool and we're gonna slice right here. Then we're gonna come across and slice right here again. That should be 8 bars. Let's double check it. Yes, that's it. I actually made a bad cut here. I made a bad cut. Let's undo that first cut. Undo that. Right. Let's cut it better now. Be careful with the cuts. And we're cutting it right here. And then we're removing that part by going back to our pencil and right click on the mouse or keyboard or touchpad, and we want to find it. Okay, so we can use this. Just left click it once and then we want to put it back in the space. What happened here? What happened? It looks like it got bad. Let's see if we can fix that. Right, yeah, so let's make sure it's sounding good. Right. Here's just make sure everything. So let's see if we get a next part that's not working correctly. So, oh, I forgot. So let's keep this thing in our order. So this third part could this come on. This part could come. This part come here. This part could come here. Right, so we're keeping everything in stages to show you exactly where I actually fixed it. Let's make sure everything is here now. Let's play the beat, skim through it. So that sounds good. Let's check this part here. Alright, that's good. Let's check the next cut. Seamless. Oh, what did I do? Where is the next cut? Let's check here. This looks off. You see? So what we can do is just slide it back a little. That's what I was hearing. So if it comes out, what you can do, see now we make a mistake. I'm glad a mistake happened to show you that we just have to go back and cut it correctly. I'm gonna get that piece out, pencil tool, right click, we make sure it sounds good. Alright, cool. So that's the reason why I actually drop them down layers. So this one from here, put it here, just to make sure everything is lined up properly. So I'm glad that happened. So I can actually show you that if there's a mistake, how to actually fix it. But I was hearing something like extra bass clashing. Yeah, so that was fixed. Let's check here now. I think that's it. That's it. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. If you get value from this video, awesome. If you didn't, I mean, awesome as well. I mean, not every video I create is for everybody. So if you like the video, as I said, hit the like button, comment if you need to comment or ask any questions, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. DellzShot out. Let's give you a little bit of the beat somewhere here.